Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Of course, we're going to be talking about the usual suspects right now, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and Cardano. I just wanted to do a quick run through. We did get a daily candle close under the 55, but then the next candle we broke right above it, and the bulls are making a little run here. So let's see how far they can push this up. And what we'd want to see in this situation is we do not want to see this candle come back down and make a new lower low. And we also want to see this candle actually make a higher high from this candle and then this previous candle to get more to the upside. This is what we're looking at for the candles. So we don't want to see this come down and make a new low underneath this candle, which is right around 47,500. If that happens, then yeah, we could see more downside. Actually, I got a line here. It's pretty close to it, but we'll just move that up. We were a couple dollars off there. But yeah, so yeah, if we see it wick down and go underneath there, then we're going to see more downside and a potential to this 46,900 area or to my purple box, which is anywhere from 46,500 to 46,100 area. Okay, so that could be a possibility. If not, then we're going to go back to the upside if we do get a nice bounce and we close back above 48,800, it looks like. We get a 4-hour candle close above the 22 EMA, then we should see continuation more to the upside. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys an update on Bitcoin. Let's see, Ethereum, same exact thing, guys. We want to see the same exact thing. We want to see a candle close, a 4-hour, get above this 22, which is the top line, 20 EMA, which is at 32.57 currently right now. We are getting a little rejection at the bottom, so let's see if this can break back up in here and move back up to the upside. If not, we definitely don't want to see, let's hide this. We don't need that. We don't want to see it break back under 31,300. If that happens, oops, what did I just draw an extra line? If that happens, then we could see maybe a test of 30-50 area around there would be a place where it could test. So yeah, so let's see if that happens. But there could be upside. If it goes back up to the upside, then we're going to test these highs again at 33.40 area. All right, so that's pretty much what that looks like right now for Ethereum. Let's go to Matic. Matic, same thing, guys. We want to get above this 156 area, and we don't want a 4-hour candle closing underneath 143. If we get that, then we're more downside on Matic, more upside if we can get back and get a 4-hour candle close above $1.51 area. Then we can maybe push back more to the upside here to the $1.56 area. Let's see. Cardano is like, it's not even phased, guys. I mean, it's just a monster. But yeah, we are getting a little pullback. We did get a pullback to the 159 area, which was an area I was eyeballing. You can see the resistance or the support right there from this candle right here where we touched, and you can see where we kind of got a little bounce there from it. Yeah, so let's see if this comes back down. If Bitcoin comes back down, all this is going to come back down. So let's just keep an eye on Bitcoin. Guys, this is why I chart Bitcoin. This is why I chart Ethereum for all the altcoins. So when people, ask me like, hey, why don't you just get the Matic? Why don't you just get the Cardano or coins that I'm in? Because Bitcoin and Ethereum matter. They run the market. If those start to go down, then everything else will go down with it. Okay? So just keep that in mind. All right. They run the show. So that's why. Also, I want to show you guys, we did get an ABC pattern here, ABCD pattern, where we did get a top of the D. Okay. I want to show you the last two times this happened. We got an ABCD here. and we had a pullback that was approximately from here to here. Let me get that. 22% here. Okay, so we had 22% pullback the last time we got this, or not, I wouldn't say last time because this was the last time. And then, of course, the last D pullback, we're not going to go all the way down to the 29 mark or the 28 mark. But yeah, we did pull back all the way to the 28 mark. But if we just take it from the bottom of this move where it bounced to the top, we did get a 37% pullback from there. So yeah, so the ABC pullbacks, when we do get those, the ABCDs, usually they're strong. I'm not saying it's going to happen this time, but looking at the past couple times that it pulled back, I mean, I could have probably went back in history, but the last couple times this pattern did measure out and pull back. We did get a pretty big pullback. So let's just keep that in mind. I'm not saying this is going to happen right now because the weekly charts are still looking bullish. When we were up here, we went on a heck of a run, and the weekly everything was, and the monthly everything was looking really bad. So when we got these pullbacks, things weren't looking that great at the time. So at this time it was it was really over. I mean, the RSI, everything was really high at the time. Right now, the weekly, everything's still just curling up. So I don't know if we're going to get this big pullback like we did before, but I just wanted you guys to be aware of this. The last two times this did happen, 22%, 37%. Right now, I believe we're only at a pullback of 6.5%. So we're not doing. It's not like it's we're getting crushed, but we did get a close under the 4 hour. So if this does wick down, like I'm talking about now, so we got this wick. So if this does wick down and get underneath this previous candle, which is, it looks like it's exactly at, let's say 46 or 47,600. I'm sorry. So if we get a candle close, or we get it wicking, even a wick under there, we're going to go down. We're going to go more downside. Okay. Could we bounce off of 46,900, or could we bounce off of my purple box here? Yeah, that's a possibility. But if we get a wick down in this area, yeah, we're going to more downside. I do have a fib, it looks like, at around 47,100 area. So maybe that could be a possibility. Let's look. Let's pull back my fib, my bigger fib here. Let's see. Did we get to the bottom of the fib? Or sometimes it moves on me. Hold on, because I move charts around. Yep, it did move on me. Okay, so no, right around. Oh yeah, look at that. Kind of lines up with what I was talking about. Wow, when I actually brought it to where it should be, right? Let's see here, top. You know what? Let's redraw this. Where's my fib? Okay. We're going to go default. Okay. We're going to go. Let's see. We were at bottom of this move. If it locks all the way up to the top. Let's see. Yeah, right around 47,100 it looks like. So maybe that's a possibility. We bounce off that fib, and then that's also a possibility, guys. So keep that in mind. But yeah, so but also my purple box and the other things we got going on here. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on what was going on. I pretty much ran through everything. If you guys don't know, this is This is free on TradingView. You go to templates and you go to MAEXP ribbon. It's free on TradingView. I will leave a link in the description of TradingView with my Twitter account. So you guys can follow me on there too, because sometimes I just got to throw things out there because I can't get the videos out in time. But I will leave a link in there and that this is free to use, so anybody can use it for free. Also, if you guys do want to pay and not deal with the ads and get some more indicators, because some of these indicators you will not get for free. You only get 3 indicators, I believe, for free. And if you want more than that, then you have to pay, which I'll, in my link of the description, I'll have a $30 coupon that you guys can use, if that helps you, if you guys decide to go that way. But listen, guys, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. There could be some more downside, especially if we get on Bitcoin. If we get a 4-hour candle closing again underneath this 55 EMA, okay, which is the bottom of the ribbon, or definitely if we get it even a 4-hour, just a new lower low. If we get a new lower low on this 4-hour, then you could definitely see more downside. Okay, short term. Long term, I still think everything's fine. I still think we're going to hit the marks that we talked about, but short term, there could be a little pullback and a good buy opportunity, or this can close within this ribbon, and then Ethereum can close in the ribbons like we talked about in the video, and everything can go back up. So this is just something to keep an eye on, guys. For if you guys, so you guys don't panic. But guys, make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel. This is all I'm asking. Hit the bell, hit the all, because they do shadow ban me. So some of you guys will not see my videos unless you hit the bell and hit the all to get the notifications, because I just started this crypto channel, and the YouTube is not liking people starting new crypto channels. I figured out. So you guys do have to do that, because I get some people that say, "Oh well, I didn't see that video," or "I didn't see that." Well, you didn't see it because they shadow banned it. So you got to hit the bell and you got to hit the all, and and subscribe to my channel, Moondog Trading. Okay, that's my YouTube channel. Listen, guys, and I guess, and for some of you guys that do follow me on TradingView, I've been banned multiple times, so it's really good to follow me on YouTube as well, because they ban me constantly for, I don't know, I guess because I don't know why they do. They always give me an excuse, but whatever their excuse is, it is what it is. I get banned all the time, so more than half my videos you guys didn't get to see. So listen, even though I try to publish them for you guys, but listen, guys, much love to you guys. You guys have a great night. If anything dramatically changes, I'll try to keep an update. If I'm awake, I will update you guys. And if an alarm goes off or something crazy and it wakes me up, I'll try to. Usually when that happens, I make a move quick. It's hard for me to make a video and get it out to you guys quick, but I'll try my best, okay? If not, I'll try to do something on Twitter for you guys. But listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and peace out.